Hello everybody, welcome to my presentation. My name is Kishor Hake, studying in B.Sc second year Adarsh College Hingoli. And in this mathematical seminar, my presentation is based on the real analysis. Today I am going to represent Sandwich theorem. So before going to the representation of Sandwich theorem, let us understand what real sequence are. A function whose domain is a set of natural number and range is a set of real number is called real sequence. Sandwich theorem is also known as Quine's theorem or pinch theorem. Today I am starting Sandwich theorem, which the statement of Sandwich theorem is consider, suppose sequence an, sequence bn and sequence cn are three sequences such that there be a condition an is less than equal to bn, bn is less than equal to cn for all n, and limit an and limit cn both are L. Then limit bn is also L. This is the statement of Sandwich theorem. Let us see the proof. Epsilon greater than 0 be given. Now we already see in the statement that limit an is equal to limit cn is equal to L. Then we can say that sequence an and sequence cn both converge to L. Therefore, there exists a positive integer m1 and m2 such that mod of an minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m1, and also mod of cn minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m2. Let us choose the maximum integer m1 and m2, that is say m. Let m is equal to maximum of m1 and m2. Then we can write mod of en minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m, and also mod of cn minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. That is the definition of limit. We can write L minus epsilon less than en less than L plus epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. And for sequence cn is L minus epsilon less than cn less than L plus epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. We already see in the statement that is the condition an less than equal to bn less than equal to cn. We use that condition L minus epsilon less than an less than equal to bn less than equal to cn less than L plus epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. We can write it has a L minus epsilon less than bn less than equal to L plus epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. That is mod of bn minus L less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to m. This is the definition of limit. Therefore, sequence bn is also converge to L. Hence, limit bn is L. Hence, the Sandwich theorem is proved. This theorem is quite simple to understand and has a lot of application in calculus. It is used to specially while using trigonometric function. We generally use Sandwich theorem in calculus, including mathematical analysis. This theorem is probably used to establish the limit of a function by comparing two other functions whose limits are known or surely fluid. So, thank you all for listening to my presentation.